What's happening today?
This.
What is that?
This is when a 20-minute job turns into an all-day job.
Oh no.
So, yeah.
What car is this from?
Land Rover Defender.
Okay.
So, luckily, in this particular instance, we were able to take the part out of the vehicle.
Okay.
But sometimes you got to do this in the vehicle, and it sucks.
So you broke the bolt and you're trying to...
I got to extract it.
Okay.
So, here we go.
So how many ways are there for doing this kind of job if you're extracting?
Only one.
Okay.
But there's a bunch of different tools and different variations of that tool, because you basically got to drill it, use an extractor.
Okay.
But this one's pretty small.
Yeah.
So I have a set of extractors that I don't know if anybody's seen them before, but yeah, we'll get into that. But first I'm going to face it, center punch it, and then we'll put the extractor, and hopefully it comes out easy.
Sweet. This looks different than the normal ones that they sell at like AutoZone or Harbor Freight
Yeah,
and
so
stuff.
this has got the drill on one side and then the extractor on the other one. These bigger ones actually drill in, and as you drill and you get deep enough, it just locks this piece in, and then you can just put a wrench on it. So you don't have to drill it and then extract it. It does it all in one motion.
What? Okay, that's pretty cool.
Those ones are, yeah. I don't know where they came from. Well, I know where they came from, but you can't get them anymore.
Yeah.
So every time I show somebody, they get all excited and like, whoa, where'd you get
Where can I get this?
For whatever reason, they can't find it.
What? That's cool.
These super small ones are just double-sided, so the drill's on one side and the extractor's on the other. This isn't even the part that I was working on.
Oh, really?
I just had to take this out to get it out of the way to work on what I'm actually working on.
That's annoying. Oh, no! Oh my God. Oh, no.
There's the bolt. Oh, look how nice the threads are. There's your bolt right there.
Yeah, it's still in there. So you technically got...
It's a very nice drill bit going.
Yeah, look at that. Look
If
how,
you couldn't get it nicer.
that was precise drilling right
What was possibly
there.
holding it back in? Nothing.
Wow.
So now, we go to plan B.
What's plan B?
And this is where we separate the men from the boys.
Oh my gosh.
Except our extractor broke this piece off.
Oh.
So, now, we're gonna sandblast this, clean it up, re-weld that up, and then drill and tap new threads into it.
This just turned into a much longer video.
So, this is the 20 minutes into all day video.
This area?
This is gonna be a 4-hour video by the time we're done.
Yep. This is not even the part you were trying to fix.
No, this has nothing. This was just in the way of the part I was trying to
Oh.
fix. But this is, like, how do you can't foresee any of this.
Yeah.
So, I got all the fancy tools.
Yeah, so you had all of that amazing piece of machinery right there.
Cobalt drill bits.
You had this guy. I really like
Got
this.
another set
This
of
is
extractors.
nice.
And in theory, like, we couldn't have got it any better than that.
Yeah. Oh,
It just-
that was like almost perfect.
It just wasn't coming out.
Yeah. Oh well.
And if you're lucky, your mechanic doesn't pass this on to you in the form of your bill.
Oh,
He just
yeah.
absorbs it and takes a loss. So, long story short, be nice to your mechanic.
Oh. So this is more like a PSA.
Yeah, it's public service. You know, we're busting our and sometimes goes sideways.
Yep.
Even when you got all the
All the amazingly
I got
nice
all the
tools.
stuff.
Snap-on.
every snap, like this is a Snap-on commercial.
Oh.
Still went sideways on me.
Oh well. So, Steve, you're done with the sandblast?
Yes. We've got this whole area here, all nice and clean, so when he welds, there's no contaminants.
Hopefully that works.
I think it'll work.
I appreciate your positivity. But I've been in this industry far too long to buy into your blind enthusiasm.
Blind faith.
Nah, it's totally gonna work. I thought you were going to like weld the piece that broke off.
No,
Okay.
because aluminum doesn't penetrate like that.
Oh, this is aluminum.
Yeah, so by the time you bead that back,
Yeah.
aluminum's more the strength in the weld than the penetration.
Okay.
So now I'll just face this,
Yeah.
shape it back so it looks like it never happened, and then we'll drill and retap it.
Cool.
So for being something that's immersed in oil, it actually welded not bad.
Why do you decide not to use a belt sander or something else?
Because this keeps it nice and flat, and because this is a gasket surface,
Okay.
so I'll take a hand block and make sure that this is super square when I'm done. Otherwise, yeah, you could, but this has like a gasket that goes on here.
Yeah.
It's like a metal gasket.
Oh, okay. So now you're trying to do what? Tap a hole into that? Or
Yeah.
drill a hole into that?
Now I gotta drill and tap it.
Mm.
Now that we've done our repair.
Yep.
So let's use a transfer punch. Now drill it, tap it,
And then
we're
Bub's
right
your
back
uncle.
to where we began.
Oh.
Back in business.
It looks brand new.
Not that bad, right?
Oh, yeah. So it wasn't supposed to go all the way through?
No, because I welded it up so it doesn't have an overhang anymore.
I see.
So now it's into a blind hole.
Well, that's it?
That's it.
Okay, do the like and subscribe. For more tips and tricks like this.
For more tips and tricks on how to fix
Brake
your
bolts.
cups, you can do that. Like and subscribe.